Let's talk about schema files in DataStage. They act like a blueprint for data, helping us define its structure clearly. Think of them as a guide that ensures consistency, so we don't end up with chaotic, mismatched data. They also make metadata management much easier. If you've ever struggled with data formatting, schema files are your new best friend. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system. Intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, imagine trying to read a book with no chapters or headings. It'd be a mess. The schema files prevent that mess in data processing. They tell DataStage how to read and organize data effectively. Whether we're pulling data from different sources or creating structured output, schema files make sure everything flows smoothly. Why do schema files exist? To save us from data disasters. They help interpret data formats correctly, define column properties, and speed up processing. Without them, dealing with large data sets would be like trying to untangle a ball of wires. Frustrating and time-consuming. Now let's break down schema file format. It's basically structured text with rules. We define columns, specify data types, and include delimiters to separate values. And yes, there are comments too, because sometimes we need to leave friendly notes for our future selves. Imagine you're working with a dataset that keeps changing, frustrating, right? Runtime column propagation solves this by automatically adjusting column structures on the fly. This means less manual intervention and more seamless data transformations. It's like giving your schema a mind of its own, constantly adapting to new data without breaking workflows. Think of schema files as the blueprint for your data. They dictate how data is structured, ensuring transformations happen smoothly and consistently. Without them, handling multiple datasets would be chaos, like assembling IKEA furniture without instructions. By using schema files, you streamline operations and avoid mismatches, making your data transformation process predictable and efficient. Data isn't always straightforward, sometimes it's tangled like spaghetti code. Complex structures like nested formats require strategic handling. With schema definitions, you unravel the mess, ensuring proper relationships and compatibility across diverse data sources. Embrace the complexity and make it work for you rather than against you. Schema files are powerful, but without proper management, they can turn into a labyrinth. Version control helps track changes, documentation ensures clarity, and automation minimizes human errors. Think of it as tending a well-organized digital library. Without it, you'd be lost in a pile of unreadable manuscripts. Errors in schema files can feel like playing hide-and-seek with bugs, annoying but fixable. Watch for incorrect mappings, mismatched versions, and missing fields. Troubleshooting is all about detective work. A keen eye and logical thinking will save the day. Stay vigilant and don't let schema errors throw a wrench into your workflow. Performance matters, nobody likes a slow pipeline. Schema files help reduce overhead, optimize queries, and enhance storage efficiency. Think of it as tuning a sports car. With the right configurations, you get maximum speed and performance. The key, a well-designed schema that balances flexibility and efficiency. We've covered a lot about schema files, from structure to troubleshooting. In short, good schema management makes data transformations smoother, faster, and error-free. Keep refining, optimizing, and adapting, because data never stands still and neither should you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.